Ooh. Keep going. Hi, I'm Camille with 30 Day Singer, and this is your gentle singing warm-up. All you'll need for today's gentle singing warm-up is a straw. So grab a drinking straw, just normal size. If you want to go a little bit smaller, that'll also work. And here are just 2 don'ts for this gentle singing warm-up. First, don't sing with a breathy tone. So even though your voice is tired, maybe it's recovering, we can sing quietly, we just don't want to sing breathy. We reserve breathy tone for stylistic effect. We don't sing with breathy tone as a rule or in our vocal warm-up. So if you're singing ooh and it's quiet, that's great. If you're singing ooh and it's breathy, that's not great. And second, don't push your voice past its comfort zone. So if you're really having to strain or squeeze, don't do that today. When your voice is tired or you're recovering, that's not a good time to work on your belting. Save that for when you're feeling healthy. First exercise, straw slides. So go ahead and grab your straw, place it between your lips, and start singing. Basically, you're just pretending that your mouth is at the end of this straw. If you're having trouble getting that noise going, first just blow air through the straw. And then see if you can add some singing tone to that. This is different than just humming. You'll know that you're just humming if you take the straw away and the hum sound continues. If you're doing it correctly, if you take the straw away, your sound will stop. For example, so take a second, find that singing tone through your straw, and then our exercise will be a slide of a perfect fifth. It'll sound like this. Quiet, gentle, doesn't take a lot of breath or vocal effort for this. Sopranos and altos, you'll start on C4. Tenors and basses, you'll start on C3. Here we go. Drop out if it gets too low, so tenors and sopranos might have to drop out right now. This is A flat. Here we go. Basses and altos keep going. Good job. Let's jump back up to middle C or C3, and we'll take it up this time. Altos and basses, if it gets too high, you can drop out. Here we go. Good, everyone, keep going. Next exercise, put the straw down and we'll sing on a lip trill. Our exercise will sound like this. You can let yourself slide from one note to the next, and our pitches are A4, F sharp 4, D4, or if you're a tenor or bass, A3, F sharp 3, D3. And we'll walk down low. Here we go. Lip trill. Again, tenors and sopranos can drop out. Here we are. And last one. Our next exercise is singing on an NG. This is my favorite shape for getting into high head voice without putting pressure on the larynx. Find your NG shape by saying the word sing and holding on to the end of it. Sing. You should feel there's some closure. The back of your tongue is meeting your soft palate. Sing. If you drop your tongue, you'll start singing an open vowel. Sing. But we're going for the closure of the NG, so go straight to the NG on any pitch. Good, and our pattern will sound like this. Starting on B3 or B2. Try that with me and then we'll keep going up. Nice and light, but again, not breathy. Here we go. Front of your tongue relaxed. Everyone's still singing. Keep going. Lower voices are switching into head voice now. Two more. Good on that one. I know it's difficult to do, but see if you can keep the front of your tongue relaxed. The back of your tongue is high. The front of the tongue might want to jump back. Look in a mirror and make sure that you're continually telling yourself to relax the front of your tongue. Next exercise, we'll slide on an NG and open up to a vowel. It'll sound like this. Now the vowel is up to you, whatever feels comfortable today. Again, here's what it sounds like, starting on A4 or A3. Any vowel will do. Make sure that when you're switching to the vowel, you think of lifting your soft palate off of your tongue rather than just letting your tongue crash down. Give that a try and then we'll keep going. Here we go. Going. Tenors and sopranos drop out. Good work. Last exercise, singing on a gentle oo vowel, will walk up and back down. Your pattern will sound like this. Not pushing for volume at any point. Start on A4 or A3. Here we go. Taking it back down. Last one. Good job! Return to this warm-up whenever you're feeling a little under the weather or like your voice needs a break from more heavy, challenging singing. If you like this video, why not subscribe? And visit 30daysinger.com for our full singing courses, private lessons, and more.